So next algorithm is job sequencing with deadline. I will show you this one. A little bit operating system is there. Don't worry, I will show you. Mm, Okay, see here. So if you are very comfortable with operating system, little bit topic is there related to operating system. I will show you that also. Okay, the next algorithm is actually this job sequence. Okay, next one is job sequencing with deadline. All problems here. Okay, all problems you have. No algorithms, nothing here. All problems. Everything I will do. Okay, so job sequencing with deadlines. This is also one algorithm. But see here, there are few important things we need to understand about job sequencing with deadline. What is that exactly? First one is in every computer we're going to have a CPU. Okay, so how many CPUs you're going to have? Basically single CPU. Okay, available. Okay, that is one. Okay, now second one, you can see, I will tell you what is this, all these things, don't worry right now. Arrival time, arrival time of each job is same. Have you heard about FCFS, round robin, and SJFS, all those things? We will discuss that one. I will tell you what is that. Again, running time of each job is 1 unit. Okay, na? Again, fourth one, no preemption. You know, right? What do you mean by preemption? Stopping. Okay, so no preemption is nothing, continuously it will run. Now, so what is this job sequencing with deadline? So every job will going to have a deadline. I will show you why it is called as like this, all those things. Don't worry right now. Suppose take like this. In job pool, okay, this is a job pool. Okay, so this is a job pool. So here we will going to have a jobs like J1, J2, something like J3, again J4. All these jobs. Okay, again consider here CPU is there. CPU. All jobs are trying to execute. Please understand, all jobs are trying to execute in the CPU. That is the only resources. CPU will going to say, everybody come and execute. What they will going to do? All the jobs, J1, J2, J3, J4, everyone will going to say, I will come and I will going to execute. Everyone will going to start executing inside the job, inside the CPU. But the problem is, one job can execute in the CPU at a time. Okay, all the jobs cannot be executed parallelly. That is the problem. Okay, see here what happens for that. What we're going to do, we will going to keep one scheduler here. Okay, we will going to keep one scheduler here, one scheduler. Okay, so that is called it as CPU scheduler. So CPU scheduler, this is understanding. This is CPU scheduler. So basically, what is the CPU scheduler? Actually, it's a program. Okay, it's a program. Clear? Now, please understand everybody, all the jobs will come here. Okay, all the jobs will come here. All these jobs will come here, all these things. And this CPU scheduler will going to decide which job has to go first. Okay, basically understand, in operating system, have you heard about these states? New state, new state. Okay, again ready state, ready state. Okay, again input output state, sorry, input output wait, again interrupt, interrupt, again running state, running state. So these are the states which are available in the operating system, you know, basically. Now, for example, what I'm doing here, so I will put it, suppose think like that. There is a state, okay, there is a state that is called it as ready state. Okay, there is a state that is called it as ready state here. There is a state that is called it as ready state. Again, here there are number of jobs which are available. Basically, right now, where it is available exactly, those jobs are which are available in ready. You can see here, those jobs are which are available in the ready. Again, one more state you can able to see, that is the new state. Here, new state. Okay, now this is the new state. Okay, so many jobs are there, all the jobs which are available in the ready state. Okay, now see here, what we're going to do from here, if the job is scheduled, where it will go, basically it will go to the running state. It will go to the running state. Yes or no? If any interruption occurs here in the running state, what happens here? Okay, suppose input output interrupt. Okay, something happens. Okay, that is called it as, we will call it as interruption. So that time the job will go to which state is nothing but that is called it as input output wait. Suppose input problem occurs. Okay, input problem occurs. Then where it will go? It will go to the input output wait state, from running state to input output wait state. Correct? Okay, now see here. After that, if everything is fine, then it will going to allocate the resource job to here, again in the job pool, nothing but ready state. Again, it will going to put it in ready state. Again, like that it will going to happen. But one thing you need to observe here, in between here, in between, there is a one important thing. What is that? That is called a scheduler here. So here you can see there is a scheduler here. That is what we call it as CPU scheduler. Okay, here scheduler. This will going to decide which one has to go here, again which one has to stay here. So that is the reason why we will going to use this kind of states here. Okay, understanding everyone? Now please everybody observe here. So this one I will going to say finally, after finishing every job, what it will do? It will go to the termination. Okay, it will go to the termination state. So this is the process. Basically, when you are executing the programs, what happens? This is the process it will going to happen. So why I'm talking about all these things? So here, what we are looking at here, job sequencing. So how to give the job to the CPU in a order, what kind of sequencing order you have to give, all those things we have to understand. Again with the deadlines, every job will going to have a deadline. Please understand, for that, for this one, for this definition I am telling you, for this definition I am telling you, for every job there is a sequence. Again, for every job we're going to have a deadline also. Please understand these two things. For every job you will going to find a sequence. Again, for every job you will going to find the deadline also, something like 1 unit, 2 units, all those things. For that I will going to give you a small example. See, I will going to give you a small example. What is that example? You take FCFS. Suppose think like that, jobs are there, J1, J2. Okay, so here J1, J2, J3, like this jobs are there. In FCFS algorithm, what happens here? Whoever comes first, it will going to execute in the CPU. Yes or not? It will going to execute in the CPU. Suppose J1 come first, it will going to execute. J2 next, after that J3. Like this, it will going to execute in the CPU. This is the FCFS. For live example, real example, you can see in ticket booking. Okay, if you go to the ticket counter, so how they will going to give? Whoever comes first. Okay, whoever comes first, they will going to give the tickets. Basically, that is called it as FCFS here. Again, SJFS. SJF. Have you heard about this one? SJFS. Here also think like there is a job 1, there is a job 2, there is a job 3. Okay. In this SJFS, whoever have shortest period. Okay, suppose think like that. This is having 2 units. This is having 1 unit. This is having 5 units, like that. Whoever having shortest, okay, that will be picked first. Okay, after that, shortest one, then this one. So this is what we call it as shortest job first. Okay, again round robin. One more is there, the great one. What is that? Round robin. Okay, in this round robin. So what is this round robin? There is a one important thing in the condition, round robin condition. What is that? So preemption, it will going to happen. Preemption. What is this, sir? Exactly is nothing but. So there is a condition that is called it as quantum time or time quantum. Okay. So basically people call time quantum or quantum time or time quantum. So nothing but what exactly every process, whatever the process in round robin, suppose think like that J1, J2, J3, again J4, J5, like so many processors are. Every process should get the chance. So that is the reason why they will going to apply one condition saying that every process can execute 1 unit of time. 1 unit of time. This is the condition they are applying here. Okay, these are all the inputs here. Basically, I told you greedy is nothing but what? It's a shortcut method. Okay, shortcut method. So greedy technique is nothing but it's a shortcut method. Guys, got it? These things. Why I'm telling all these things? Because the reason is there is requirement is there. That's why I'm telling. Again, one more thing. Threads. Have you heard about this one? Gmail. I think you people have Gmail, right? Okay, suppose take the Gmail. So I will going to open a Gmail here. So my account, login ID and password you will going to give. Again, when you open the Gmail, inside you can see lot of ads are running. Yes or not? Lots of ads are running here, this side, which is not necessary. All this we will call it as threads. Okay, so threads also call it as lightweight process. Okay, lightweight process. Nothing but what? One job is nothing but one program. Okay, or process. One job is nothing but what? One program or process. Okay, it's a process. Fine, everybody okay with this? So here I'm opening Gmail. Okay, so here so many things are there. Yes or not? So many things are there. So these are all called it as threads. Here, threads. You can see that in one page itself. Okay, I will open the Gmail. In that only another process is running. That is the reason why we will call this one as threads or lightweight process. Okay, I think everybody got this one. Now let's come to the point here. So what I'm discussing about basically here, we have a job. So many jobs are there. Okay, those jobs will going to have a profit. Again, those jobs will going to have a deadline. Yes or not? Those jobs will going to have a deadline. What kind of sequence you will going to follow to execute those things? Again, how much profit, maximum profit, how much you will going to earn? Maximum profit, how much you will going to earn? That is what we will going to discuss. That is the reason why this computer science operating system is designed. Only Microsoft people know what kind of scheduler we are using, all those things. Whether they are using FCFS algorithm, again whether they are using, hence before they are using FCFS algorithm, okay, in olden days. Nowadays they are using round robin, again hence before they shorted job first. So like that they have used lot of algorithms. Only those people know, not we. Okay, so but what we are discussing here, how you are going to give the job sequence with the deadlines. That is what exactly I'm taking. Okay, here also a lot of jobs is there. Okay, if you follow which sequence, suppose example, if you go to the FCFS, what is the format? First come first serve. Yes or not? First come first serve, like that. Again here shortest job, whichever having the shortest time, that will be executed first. Round robin, every process will going to execute 1 unit of time, like that. So here, one more important thing we need to understand about this, and every job here, please understand here, every job will going to have a deadline. So what is this deadline is nothing, but I will going to tell you. Small example I will take you. Suppose think like that, there is a company, developing company, client will come here. Okay, client, this is the client. Okay, this way a client will come to company and he will ask, I need a one project. Okay, I will provide you one code. Okay, so I will give you 3 months time. So these people, after analyzing all those things, they will going to say 3 months is not enough for us. So minimum we need 1 year. Okay, so if he agrees means this is your deadline, 1 year. If you exceeds means that is lapse. There is no use of project. See, this client, what we will going to say, okay, I will agree with 1 year. So if you cross 1 year, you have to pay how much? 3 crore rupees. So that is the agreement they have kept here. Understood what exactly I'm talking about? I'm talking about only deadline. So what is this deadline is nothing but one job is there, the job should be executed. One job is there, the job should be executed within that period of time. Okay, maybe 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, like that. What is the deadline? We don't know. Okay, they will going to provide you deadline. So within that particular time, we have to execute that one. Okay, before also, suppose think like that. Okay, so actually given 1 year time, but this company, what it will going to do before 1 year, okay, they will going to finish the project in 11 months. Any problem is there? No problem. That is well and good. Client will be happy. They will going to finish the project in 10 months. Okay, client will be happy. No, nothing problem. But if exceeds, then only problem occurs. So that is what we call it as deadline. So that's why I showed you this one. See here, job sequencing, we will going to follow the sequence as well as with the deadlines. Okay, na? So there will be n number of jobs. Okay, like this, n number of jobs will be there. So those jobs will go in a sequence so that we can able to achieve more profits and with the deadlines. Before the deadline, we have to finish, or within deadline, we have to finish. That is what exactly we are discussing about this. So that is the reason why I wrote all these things. Every computer will going to have a CPU. Okay, so that is the condition. This is the condition or not? Only one CPU. That is the condition. One CPU, but many jobs are there. We cannot able to execute it, but we have to follow some sequence so that we can able to execute in this particular CPU. Again, arrival time of each job is same. Okay, so whatever the job you will going to take, every job should be have a arrival time. Okay, every job will going to come in a same time. Arrival time is same everywhere. Fine. Now, for example, you can take FCFS algorithm. So that is arrival time is same everywhere. Again, running time of each job is 1 unit. Okay, you can give 1 unit. How many units you want it, you can able to give it. Again, no stopping, nothing will going to happen here. For that, I will going to give you small example. Now, please understand everybody. Okay, and now you will going to get it. Just I showed you all this example. If you are able to understand, now you will going to get it. See here now. Now see here. Okay, example. I am taking an example. Let's take an example. So example. Okay, now see. So n is equal to 4, nothing but number of jobs. N is equal to 4 is nothing but number of jobs. This indicates number of jobs. Jobs are process. Okay, number of jobs are process. So what I will want to do? Jobs here, jobs J1, J2, again J3, again J4, like this. Okay, now again profit. Okay, profit 300, again 250, again 400, again 275. Okay, again one more. Deadlines. Every job will going to have a deadline, right? That is I am writing deadline. See deadline. So deadlines are something like this: 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, now clear everyone? Everyone okay? Okay, fine. If you are okay with this, no problem. Now see here, I wanted to finish each and every job like J1, J2, J3, J4. I wanted to finish each and every job, but I have to earn more profits. I have to earn more profits. Let's take an example. Okay, basically we have deadlines. You can able to see how many months they have given. Just you take it as months, no problem. 2 months for job 1. If you complete before 2 months or within 2 months, okay, you will going to get the profits 300. Job 1, job 2. If you complete within 1 month, you will going to get the profit 250. Again, you will going to complete this one within 2 months means you will going to get 400. Okay, like this. Job 4, you will going to get 275. See, it should not be exceeded. Okay, suppose think like that. Job 1, if you complete at 1, no problem, nothing will going to happen. If you complete at 2, no problem. Second month, no problem, nothing will going to happen. But third month, you should not go to job 1. That is one thing you need to understand. Again, job 2 also. If you complete in first month only, that is no problem. If you go to the second month, there is a problem. Okay, that is one. If you complete J3 in first month, no problem. If you completed J3 in second month, no problem. If you completed J3 at third month, there is a problem. Okay, exits, deadline exits. That is the reason why, we have taken, what is that? Job sequencing with deadlines. Job sequencing with deadlines. What are the jobs you will going to provide in a sequence with the deadlines to earn the more profits? Understood everyone? What is the sequence you will going to provide the jobs with the deadlines to earn the more profits? That is what exactly we are discussing today. Okay, now see here, we got this one. Okay, let's try this one. First, what I will going to do, first case, what I will going to do, I will going to take, generally I will going to take here, assume J2, I will take J2, again J3, okay now, again J1. Okay, so what is the profit for J2? That is 250. Yes or not? 250. What is the J3 profit? That is 400. 400. Fine. What is the profit for J1? You can see 300. Fine. Now please understand, everybody, J2, what is the deadline? See here, J2, what is the deadline? That is 1. Yes or not? Okay, that is fine. I can able to complete here. That is fine, no problem. First month, I will going to complete this one. There is no problem. J3, see here, what is the deadline? That is 2. First month is over. Second month, I am completing J3. No problem, nothing. This one also okay. This one also okay. No problem, nothing will going to happen. But J1, what is the deadline here? Everybody see here, what is the deadline? Second, but where it is going? Third month it is going. Okay, 1, 2 is over. Third month it is going. Is it possible to execute? No. Okay. So it indicates very clearly deadline decides here. Okay. How many slots you have to take it? Slots is nothing but job slots. Within the 2 slots, you have to finish it. Yes or not? Deadline decides very clearly within 2 slots you have to finish. Slot 1 first month, slot 2 second month. That's it. If they have given more deadlines, nothing but 3, you can use 3 slots. No problem. Understood? Deadline decides what? 2 slots you can able to use it and you can able to finish the job and you can able to earn the more profits. Clear everybody? I think you people are clear with this. Yes or not? Chetan, clear? Ayush, clear? Jitu, got it, Jitu?
Yes,
Hello. Okay. See, now I think you people are understood here. Nothing but only we can able to use the 2 slots, not 3 slots. Okay. Deadline says that use 2 slots and more, I earn the more profits. For that one, see here we have taken J2, J3, J1. So J1 required, see here J1 required 2 months, but 2 months already over. Third month it's running. It's not at all possible. Yes or not? It's not at all possible. So that is the reason why. Okay, that is the reason why. So we cannot able to process this one. It indicates what it indicates very clearly. This is not a feasible solution. Not feasible solution. Not a feasible. Not a feasible solution. Okay, now this is not a feasible solution. So why this is not a feasible solution? Because we are not able to complete all the jobs. Yes or not? See here, I am not able to complete all the jobs. Yes or not? I can able to complete J2. I can able to complete J3. But J1 I am not able to complete. Is it possible to complete? Okay. But J1, suppose think like that. J1, where if the place is somewhere first, think like that. If it is at the first, okay, first, second, third, okay. If it is at the first, is it okay? Yes, of course, we can able to do it. Okay. Or if the J1 is at the second place, is it okay? Definitely. But J1 is at the third place. That is the reason why I am not able to complete all the jobs. Yes or not? Even this J2 also affecting, J3 also affecting because of J1. That one you need to understand. Okay. Again, one more important thing. Why I'm taking three slots? Why I'm telling two slots? Because the reason is three jobs are not possible. That is what I wanted to say. Because one job, maximum one job have only 2 months to finish. That is the reason why I am telling that you cannot go with the three slots, only two slots. Understood? Clear everybody? Clear everybody? If I would have taken three slots here, if I would have taken J3 is equal to 3, that would be different case. That would be different case. Yes or not? That would be different case. But here only the deadline is what? 2. That is the reason why three jobs are not possible here. This case is not at all possible. This is wrong. Not at all possible. Three jobs are not at all possible. Only you can able to go with the two jobs or one job. Okay, let's see that one. Okay, let's see that one. I think you people got this. Now see here. Everybody observe here. Now see here. So now take one, something like in this. I will going to choose randomly. I will going to choose randomly something like J2, again J1. This is the first one I will take. Okay, J2 and J1. See here, J2, what is the deadline? J2, what is the deadline we are getting? 1. Okay, that is fine. First month only we have to do. I cannot able to put J2. Please understand here. I cannot able to put the J2 in J1 here. Okay, because it is actually saying that J2 is saying that very clearly I have only 1 month to finish. Okay, first month only I needed to finish my job. So that is the reason why the sequence J2 will going to get the sequence at the first. This is the reason why job sequencing. See, J2 should come first, not J1. Even J1 also can come. Even J1 also can come. Suppose example, take this one. Same what I will going to do. J1. Okay, now again J2. What is the J1? J1 deadline is 2. Yes or not? It is finishing at first. No problem. But J2 here, deadline is 1, but it is not able to finish at the first month, but is coming into second month. Nothing but sequence is good. No, wrong sequence. Yes or not? It's a wrong sequence. Absolutely wrong sequence. So that is the reason why job sequencing with deadlines. Understood everyone? Why I'm taking job sequence with the deadlines? This is the reason. This is the reason. That is what exactly I wanted to tell you. Okay. Directly people will do, but I don't want to do. Fine, clear? So this is okay, fine. Nothing but J2 will take 1. Yes or not? 1 month is required. Again, J1 requires 2. Okay. Even J1 can finish here also, but J2 will say that someone will going to use it. Okay. Why should I finish in first month? So someone can able to use the slot. That is the reason why. See here. See here, everybody. I am taking 2 slots. First slot from the right side. You have to fill from the right side. Okay. So first J1. Okay. First J1. J1 will go and say, okay, anyway, I have 2. Deadline is 2. So that someone can use these slots. That is the reason why I pick it J2. That is the reason why J2 here. That's it. This is slot 1 and slot 2 over. Understood? This is possible, right? This is possible, right? Yes, this is possible. Okay, this is possible. Again, tell me, what is the profits we are getting? J2, we are getting 250. Again, J1, how much we are getting? Okay, J1, how much? 300. So total how much? 550. Correct? Okay. So this is the profit we are getting in this sequence. This is what exactly I wanted to tell you people. Okay, like that. So many probabilities are there. This is the first one. Let's see the second one here. Let's see the second one again. Okay, let's see the second one. Now, and I told you, so this one, what ends before I told you, right? J1 and J2. You can do like this, J1 and J2. But that's what I told you. Sequence is very, very important. So what do you mean by sequence is nothing but order, which order you are sending the job, which order you are sending the job. That's why order is important here. Order is important. Order is important for that example. Okay, order is important. Clear? I think you people are happy. Now, one more. We will going to take the second case here. One more probability. Is it possible or we will going to check? So J4. Take it J4. Okay, J4 here. So J4 1. Okay, fine. Again, I will take one more J3. You tell me, is it possible or not? J4, 1 month is required. No problem here. Again, J3. J3 is what? 2. Okay, this is also possible. No problem. Yes or not? So what is the total profits you will going to have? J4 275. Again J3 400. So total you will going to get 675. Fine. This is also possible. No problem. Again, let's see one more sequence. Is it possible or not? We will going to check it. This is a feasible solution here. This is a feasible solution. One more we will going to check it. We will see. Let's take J3. Again J4. This one only same. Again, I am telling you what is this order is important. Okay, let's take J3 and J4 here. So J3, 2 units is required. Nothing but 2 months is required. Again, J4, 1 month is required. See here, what happens here? J3, it is finishing before 1 month, in the 1 month only. In next month, it is giving J4 to execute, finish. But J4 required actually first month, it is coming in the second month. Is it possible to finish? No. So this feasible answer is not possible. This is not a feasible solution. So because not able to complete all the jobs, yes or not? See, in these 2 jobs are there, 1 job is left. J4 is not completed. Yes or not? J4 is not completed. Only J3 is completed. Otherwise, if you would have done like this, J4 here, J3 here, like this, it would be completed everybody. So that is the reason why order is important. Order is also important. Yes or not? Order is also important. Okay. So here, what problem is there here? Order problem. Order problem. Order problem. Okay, this is an order problem. Fine. Now see here, one more we're going to take again. So third one, let's take J1, again J3. Okay, now see, check it. J1, 2. Okay, again J3, 2. J1 will going to finish. See here, J1 will going to finish at the first month only. J3 also finish will go into second month. Any problem? No. If you complete in first time, well, there will be happy. Okay, happy, good, no problem. J3 will going to finish at the second month. Anyway, deadline is second. Okay, no problem. So that is also, this is also possible. Okay, the profits are 300. Again here. Okay, J3, what is the profit? 400. Okay. So totally we're going to get 700. Profits are 700 for this sequence. Okay, now let's see fourth one. Okay, now you take J3, again J1. Now check J3. So what is the J3? 2. Okay, J1 is what? 2. Okay, so both are 2. No problem. J3 is finishing early. No problem. Any problem? No. J1 is finishing after 2 second. No problem. This is also fine. Okay, so nothing bad. Both are giving same profits here. Yes or not? Both are giving same profits. 700. Both are giving same profits. Okay, fourth one is okay, done. Again, let's take fifth one. Fifth example we will going to see. Again, check with this J2, J3. Check with this J2, J3, J2 and J3. J2 first month. Okay, no problem. Again, J3. Okay, second month. No problem. What is the profits you will going to earn? What are the profits you will going to have? Total. Okay, J2 will going to get 250. Again, J3, 400. Okay, 650. You're going to get 650. Yes or not? 650. Again, let's see 6-1 also. Okay. See this sequence. J4, again J1. J4 you check. J4 is 1, no problem. Again J1. So what is that? 2, no problem. Okay, that is the reason why. What is the profits? You are going to get it 575. So because here J4 is 275. Again plus J1 is what? 300. Okay, so 575 you are getting. So this is the sequence we have to follow. Okay, please understand. This is the sequence. There are 6 sequence we are getting when you got the 2 slots. Okay, why we have to use the 2 slots? Because the reason is deadline is 2. Deadline is 2. That is the reason why we have to go with the 2 slots. Again, you have to start from left. Sorry, right side. Okay, because this slot will going to help us to give some other job to execute here. Okay, little more things. I will going to show you little more things. See here. Again, here also, can I execute like this also? J1, J1. Okay, one slot also can I execute? Yes, no problem. What is there? But you are not giving. There are 2 months deadline is there, but only one you are executing. But one more month, it's empty, totally empty, nothing. But you are giving CPU for stay idle. Yes or not? So what is the cost? That is 300. Profits you will going to get the 300. No problem. Nothing will going to have a no problem here. You can run only one process also, no problem. One job also, no problem. Like this, you can able to run J2 also, J3 also, J4 also. Okay, if you want, you don't run anything, no problem. Then you are going to get the profit 0. Here you will going to get the profit 250. Yes or not? Again here you will going to get the profit 400. Yes or not? Here also you will going to get the profit 275. Any problem is there if I run like this? No, nothing in. But 1 month it will going to be empty, slot empty you are giving. So this is one thing you need to understand about the job sequencing. You have to follow the sequence, which job has to come first, which job has to come last, like that. Again, you have to follow the order. Okay, you have to follow the order. You need to understand the profit, how much maximum profit we can able to earn it. Okay. Now that is the reason why I created one. What is that? See finally what I will going to do. So in this job sequence, so takes 2 slots like this. That's what I told you. Takes 2 slots like this. Okay. Directly we can able to do in this J1, J2, J3, J4 is there. You can see, right? Okay. Wait it enter. See in this, you can able to take 2 slots like this directly. Okay. Rejoin please once.